खाना तैयार है. The food is ready. The food is ready. हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. मेज पर बैठो. Sit at the table. Sit at the table. सब लोग आ जाओ. Everyone come. Everyone come. आज सब्जी बहुत स्वादिष्ट है. The curry is very tasty today. The curry is very tasty today. नमक पास करना. Pass the salt. Pass the salt. पानी डाल दो. Pour the water. Pour the water. चम्मच लाओ. Bring a spoon. Bring a spoon. यह प्लेट साफ नहीं है. This plate is not clean. This plate is not clean. रोटी गरम है. The chapati is hot. The chapati is hot. धीरे खाओ. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. जल्दी मत करो. Don't rush. Don't rush. दूध गरम है. The milk is hot. The milk is hot. यह मेरे लिए काफी है. This is enough for me. This is enough for me. थोड़ा और ले लो. Take some more. Take some more. मिठाई कहाँ है? Where is the sweet? Where is the sweet? सब्जी खत्म हो गई. The curry is finished. The curry is finished. चावल ज़्यादा पके हैं. The rice is overcooked. The rice is overcooked. बर्तन धो दो. Wash the utensils. Wash the utensils. झाड़ू लगा दो. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. पोछा कर दो. Do the mopping. Do the mopping. कमरे की खिड़की खोलो. Open the window of the room. Open the window of the room. पर्दे हटा दो. Remove the curtains. Remove the curtains. पंखा चला दो. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. टीवी का रिमोट कहाँ है? Where is the TV remote? Where is the TV remote? आवाज कम कर दो. Turn down the volume. Turn down the volume. बच्चों को बुलाओ. Call the children. Call the children. दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Shut the door. Shut the door. दरवाजा खटखटाओ. Knock at the door. Knock at the door. घंटी बजाओ. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. बाहर कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing outside? Who is standing outside? जूते उतारो. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. उन्हें अलमारी में रखो. Keep them in the cupboard. Keep them in the cupboard. बिस्तर ठीक करो. Make the bed. Make the bed. चादर बदल दो. Change the bed sheet. Change the bed sheet. तकिया लाओ. Bring the pillow. Bring the pillow. कंबल ओढ़ लो. Cover with the blanket. Cover with the blanket. रात हो गई है. It is night. It is night. सोने का समय हो गया. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. अलार्म लगा दो. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. सुबह जल्दी उठना. Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. ब्रश कर लो. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. नहा कर आओ. Take a bath. Take a bath. कपड़े बदल लो. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. बाल कंघी करो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. तेल लगा लो. Apply some oil. Apply some oil. नाखून काट लो. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. हाथ साफ रखो. Keep your hands clean. Keep your hands clean. पढ़ाई शुरू करो. Start studying. Start studying. होमवर्क पूरा करो. Finish the homework. Finish the homework. कॉपी खोलो. Open the notebook. Open the notebook. पेन कहाँ है? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? किताब अलमारी में रखो. Keep the book in the cupboard. Keep the book in the cupboard. बैग तैयार करो. Prepare the bag. Prepare the bag. पानी की बोतल भरो. Fill the water bottle. Fill the water bottle. टिफिन बना दो. Prepare the lunch box. Prepare the lunch box. बेल्ट पहन लो. Wear the belt. Wear the belt. जुराबे कहाँ हैं? Where are the socks? Where are the socks? बाल ठीक से बनाओ. Do the hair properly. Do the hair properly. स्कूल बस आ गई. The school bus has arrived. The school bus has arrived. जल्दी चलो. Hurry up. Hurry up. माँ बुला रही है. Mom is calling. Mom is calling. पापा आ गए. Dad has come. Dad has come. मेहमान आ गए. The guests have arrived. The guests have arrived. पानी पिला दो. Serve some water. Serve some water. चाय बनाओ. Make tea. Make tea. कॉफी कौन पिएगा? Who will drink coffee? Who will drink coffee? बिस्कुट ले लो. Take the biscuits. Take the biscuits. फल काटो. Cut the fruits. Cut the fruits. मेहमान को नमस्ते करो. Greet the guest. Greet the guest. नमक ज़्यादा है. The salt is too much. The salt is too much. खाना ठंडा हो गया. The food has turned cold. The food has turned cold. गैस बंद कर दो. Turn off the gas. Turn off the gas. सिलेंडर खाली है. The cylinder is empty. The cylinder is empty. बिजली चली गई. There is a power cut. There is a power cut. मोमबत्ती जलाओ. Light the candle. Light the candle. इन्वर्टर चालू करो. Switch on the inverter. Switch on the inverter. बैटरी खत्म हो गई. The battery is dead. The battery is dead. चार्जर लगाओ. Put the charger. Put the charger. फोन उठाओ. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. किसका फोन है? Whose call is it? Whose call is it? बाद में बात करो. Talk later. Talk later. मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. I can't hear. I can't hear. नेट नहीं चल रहा. The internet is not working. The internet is not working. वाईफाई कनेक्ट करो. Connect the Wi-Fi. Connect the Wi-Fi. पासवर्ड डालो. Enter the password. Enter the password. लैपटॉप चालू करो. Switch on the laptop. Switch on the laptop. टीवी देखो. Watch the TV. Watch the TV. गाना चला दो. Play the song. Play the song. वीडियो बंद करो. Stop the video. Stop the video. फोटो खींचो. Take a photo. Take a photo. दरवाजे पर ताला लगाओ. Lock the door. Lock the door. खिड़की बंद कर दो. Shut the window. Shut the window. बाहर जाओ मत. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. रसोई में मत जाओ. Don't go into the kitchen. Don't go into the kitchen. यहाँ मत दौड़ो. Don't run here. Don't run here. बच्चों को मत डांटो. Don't scold the kids. Don't scold the kids. धीरे से बोलो. Speak gently. Speak gently. सब लोग आराम करो. Everyone take rest. Everyone take rest. शुभ रात्रि कहो. Say good night. Say good night.